Today we are joined by a project team called EIPF.Fun. So before we get into the agenda, we would first go ahead with the project demo, and then we will have our usual network upgrades. Let me welcome Bruce and his team. So Bruce, if you can maybe introduce yourself, and we will start it from there.
Yeah, thank you, Pooja. Hi guys, I'm Bruce. I'm from Alexdal, and I'm the project manager of EIP.Fun. And I'm very happy to present our project to Ether cat headers today. And let me introduce my team member. So Dick is working on the EIP's grants design, which is the important feature. I will mention it later. And Mike is a product manager of this project. So he's designing the features and the functionalities from this project. Yeah, so let me share my screen. So it's fun. And because we think EIPs are like more than standards. So that's because it connects the whole entire ecosystem, right? So therefore, including Ethereum Foundation, developers, writers. So that's the reason why we built EIP.Fun, because the connection we think are weak. Because if you look at the details and the standard, we will find sometimes it's hard to understand because they have a lot of code examples, jargons, technical terms. So we hope EIP.Fun becomes the layer 2 of the EIP ecosystem to make the connection wider and easier. So therefore, we created 4 parts of the EIP.Fun project, like website, community, newsletter, and grants. So speaking about the websites, you can think it's an extended version of the official website. So we provided a better UI UX, and the search feature, like if you search, you can search some keywords or the EIP numbers, then you can open the details page for that EIP. And also we provided like a type of contents or something like that, so you can have a better reading experience, sort of things, and also some other features. And for the specific details of the EIP, we aggregate high quality contents, so that make people feel make it easier to find more information. Like for example, for ESD 4337, we will have the ChatGPT generated summary and the video. Of course, we will put your interviews in this position for the EIPs you have interviewed with authors, and also adopted projects, something like that. And and the further reading and more later. So this pretty much it for the website parts. So you'll be wondering why not extend the official website. That's because official websites cannot include irrelevant information, like the products, articles, videos, etc., even though they are helpful and valuable for the readers. That's because people may think the Ethereum Foundation endorse those projects, which is incorrect. So we think those information should be maintained by the community. And everyone, we build a process that everyone can contribute to this content through GitHub. So everyone can make pull requests on it. We also think this can help to connecting with communities like Ethereum magicians, Ethereum cat headers, etc. Like we will grab the discussion from the Ethereum magician forum and display and show it on the page. Also, we will put videos related to the specific EIP on the page from Ethereum cat header, and also the events on the schedule on the newsletter. So we'll have people to figure out where to go to get the latest information from EIP. And also we provided newsletter, so it's gonna help you to stay updated with the community. We have created like 3 issues. So like this one. So basically we will have the EIP updates, which is a summary or meeting notes from the EIP editing meetings and EIP meetings, etc. So some keynotes, and also the EIP of the week. Like for example, for the past week, the ETH ETH Global Hackathon. They are promoting ERC 6551. So we put more insights and some hackathon project or something like that on the newsletter to help you to figure out the latest, the hottest topic for EIP. And also anecdotes, which give you some story or interesting stories or history for Ethereum. Like for the past week, there is a discussion between Sol Wallet and Vitalik regarding the account abstraction in the beginning of Ethereum. So yeah, we will also include this. Yeah, of course, we will also put some events, EIP events, including the cat header calendar or something like that to let our subscriber know, yeah, where to get the latest information. Yeah, of course, it's absolutely free, so feel free to subscribe on the website. And the last part is, and the most important, exciting part is the EIP's grants, which is EIP-based grants pool. And we found there some requirements from the EIP-based successful projects and authors, foundations, organizations. They would like to support, or they expected the EIP ecosystem going to grow up, right? So for example, for ERC 721, the NFT EIP, there are successful projects like OpenSea, Blur, or some NFT marketplaces. They would like to see there are many developers for develop some tools on this EIP. Also, like more and more EIP extend the ability based on the ERC 721. So they can put their grants or donation into this EIP grant based grants pool, which will be built on the smart contract, which will be a smart contract, and we will help to distribute to those EIP supporters like new startup who based on this EIP, tech writers and EIP authors, editors who supported this EIP. So this is going to be a bridge between EIP grantors, builders, startup, etc. And also it's going to grow EIP ecosystem with funding and grants. So you can consider it as another version, Gitcoin grants, to provide a better funding, another funding base for EIP ecosystem. Yeah, so our vision is to serve as a layer 2 of EIP ecosystem, simplifying and accelerating the adoption of EIPs. Yeah. And yeah, so this project is co-initiated by Alex Dow and Plonker. So Alex Dow is an R&D focused in Web3. So we focus on supporting valuable Web3 public groups and open source. So basically, the majority of our members are developers who want to contribute by using, by coding. Yeah, and Plonker is a group of people who dedicated to building the Ethereum ecosystem in Asia. Yeah, of course, we have some advisors, including Victor Zhou and other EIP authors. And this is a completely open source and community-driven project. So everything is open, including the meeting, the weekly meeting, open source codes, and the process, etc. And speaking about the progress and the roadmap, for the past Q2, we have done the website and tooling parts process, and we have started creating the newsletter and some contents. Also, we are building connection with communities like today, right? So we are building connection with Ethereum headers. And for Q3, we're gonna design the EIP's grants strategy with experts like from Dostar, from Gitcoin, and this is the main task of from Zig. And also we are gonna promote this project to help many people know this project and use it, subscribe the newsletter to keep updated on for the EIPs. So therefore we need an operator like who can manage the social media and the relationship connection with different communities. Some work like that. So if you guys, or if you know someone good at that, please reach me out so we can discuss further. And so for the in the future, so we're gonna keep like promoting and making good, high quality newsletters, etc. Yeah, so we also, as the public goods, we accept the donation and the grants. Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my simple presentation for the project. And yeah, so feel free to go to EIPs.Fun to check it out. And also you can join the Telegram group if you want to. Yeah, that's pretty much it, Pooja.
Thank you so much for this presentation, Bruce. This is definitely a good progress towards tooling with respect to EIPs. I hope that the information shared will enable more new authors to learn more about the process and also to be able to learn about how we are managing EIPs. Sharing information with this also help developers to use those EIPs in project. So thank you so much for your effort over here.
Yeah, thank you, Pooja.
Anyone on the call, if you guys have any question for this project or any suggestion to make it even better, please feel free to share. And Bruce, where people can reach you, if you could let community know about it.
Great project, happy to see it. I mean, I think there'll probably be a certain level of discovery trying to figure out how to make things more accessible. The GPT-4 plugin over there, I think, is actually very clever. Be interesting to see how it develops. And I think the motivation behind why you're doing it makes a ton of sense. And I think that it really has the potential to be a great project. So yeah, thanks for sharing.
Yeah, thank you, William.